So definitely that is gonna be an edge than everyone else in the saturated market, especially with like virtual assistants right now. So after mo manarrow down yung niche and you became very good at that niche, now it's the time, kung hindi ka pa din makaland ng client, is to better your selling skills with yourself. So first, kasi I understand some of us have imposter syndrome and you sell yourself short. Like yeah, I can do that, but I'm not that good at it. Like yung mga ganon. So, kailangan confident ka and alam mo kung paano mo ibenta yung sarili mo on interviews. So, there are a lot of people out there, like I said, that are much more qualified than me to give advice for new virtual assistants. So there are like Mia Juan, who specializes with executive VAs. There's also like Coach Jenny, and then there's Molonsky, of course, which is very good with like how to upskill and how to sell yourself, especially on Upwork. And then there are others like Bisayang VA, for example, that really like um, makes a lot of good advice, commentary, and leads you then sa mga good na job post, ganyan. So, definitely, I would look into those people because they definitely are, like more bihasa na sa, like, teaching people. So, I feel kasi ako, I'm not that, like, equipped pa to, like, teach people because I come from, like, hard IT niche, which is very difficult to break into, especially with the rise of AI. So, I don't wanna walk you down that path. But definitely, isipin nyo to. Like, for example, for finance niches, like, gaano katagal until people will trust AI with their banking, with their bookkeeping, with their taxes, di ba? So, isipin nyo yung mga ganong niche, yung, kumbaga, it, everyone will be overtaken by AI. Like, we know that. Like, we see how fast it's learning, how fast it's developing into different niches, but you need to understand if it's gonna work. If, like, as a person, ba ikaw, you will trust an AI to do this job. So, ayun. Hope that helps with people na nagjo-job hunting pa din. And hope it helps then for people na trying to upskill or trying to find, their new niche. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao!